What do you consider the biggest obstacle in your professional life? What about your achievements?
The biggest obstacle would definitely be, the competition in this business, and most of all, the changing needs or wants of the general public. Like, for now, uso yung mga reggaeton music. Sakala mo, okay na, di ba? Like ngayon, uso Orange and Lemons. But maybe just like 2 or 3 months from now, iba na naman uso. You just have to keep on going along with whatever's wanted or desired by the audience.
Sir, how old are you?
25.
Opinion about the present and up to now, I'm so proud of your piracy.
Piracy? I think that's something that you can't stop, because no matter how you try to stop piracy, kahit na, even if you like close down all the stores, we all have computers. You can easily download, you can easily rip or burn music, and so I think it's a matter of education for people. I think it's gonna change through the generation. So yung mga people, young people should be educated not to advocate yung mga ganong klaseng bagay. Para pag tumanda sila na yung magtuturo sa younger generation. Pero for now, I think the best to do is just have TV commercials and show good examples.
This 45 way, what else do you wish to accomplish and achieve?
Well, definitely I want to be a businessman like my father, and I've been starting out now. So after being a successful singer, I'll branch out being a good businessman in terms of being a music business magnate or something. All right. What's that? My business with my brother Randy. This is a recording studio, so yung mga ibang recording artists, dito sila gumagawa ng mga CDs, ganun. And this is where I record my music as well. So, okay, here's one example. It's amazing how you could speak right to my heart without saying a word. You could light up the dark. Try as it may, I can never explain what I hear when you call out my name. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you catch me wherever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all.
Hi, thank you, sir.
Yun lang.
St. Peter po.
Hi guys. Introduce yourself na para alam nila. Anyway, this is one of the partner ng brother ko sa studio na to. It's Arnel from Channel 7.
I'm an audio engineer.
Yeah, he's an audio engineer. So, kasama siya sa business ventures ng mga Raimundo.
Speaker.
Meron din. Ano, Andrew, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.